got to know that what we were thinking as five people, that it's our personal problem that we might not be studying properly, we saw that there was a problem that all the people were facing in the class, right? Now we got to know, okay, now we have to do something about it. And let's first identify the problem. What is the problem? That problem can be anything. Probably all the 60 people in the classroom were not studying properly, right? So they were, probably they were all bunking their classes, mass bunks were happening, and 60 people were not at all serious, right? Those 60 people, it might happen that teacher was not coming, the professor assigned to you guys, she or he was not coming into the class, right? Maybe xyz reasons, maybe some medical agency, maybe something, right? Maybe third, it may happen that sometimes you don't understand the professor, right? That how he or she is teaching you, you're not able to understand. Any of these possibilities can happen, right? These three four things. Now we thought about, okay, we got the problem that everyone is getting zero. We validated that problem as well, that okay, everyone is getting zero. Now what we should do? Now let's jump into the idea. How idea is generated? People ask me a lot of times that, sir, can you give me the best possible idea which can make me rich? मैं कहता हूँ यार, मैं मतलब मैंने जेफ बेजोस या बिल गेट्स को नहीं बनाया है. I don't have a lot of, like, I don't have a treasure of ideas with me. What I can do is I can tell you the problems. You have to figure out about the ideas. That I can do. So I have given you one problem, that 60 people getting zeros. I have validated that all 60 people are getting zeros. What can be the third possible idea is, first you brainstorm with the people in the classroom. Okay. So what I did was I spoke to Yash. Yash said, see, I'll study by myself this time properly. I didn't study earlier. This time I'll study. I don't require any help. Okay, I'll study and I'll then, come back. Like I will score this time. I will score good. I said, yes, okay, good job. I went to Tanish. Tanish said, I have a wonderful tuition teacher in my lane. I will study by him. You should also join me. But I stay away 20 kilometers away from Tanish's home. तो यार मैंने बोला मैं तो आ नहीं सकता रोज के रोज. So you need to give me another solution. Okay. I went to Abhinav. Abhinav said कि यार I will study through YouTube. Right? YouTube में बहुत सारे lectures होते हैं. मैं YouTube के through पढ़ लूंगा. अब I have three different solutions. Okay. First person is saying that I will study on my own. Second person is saying that I have a wonderful tuition teacher in my lane. Third person is saying I'll study via YouTube. Right? I have three different solutions. Now I'm just brainstorming it. I'm asking a lot of people. A lot of people are saying, so these three are the possible results, which everyone is saying in the classroom. Right? But what I did, I said, okay, let me create one platform for everyone where my online classes can be generated, like YouTube sessions can be there. If I want to take live sessions, then Tanish tutor, the lane tutor can come online and teach me. Live sessions can be done, right? If I want to do the third way, I want to study on my own. Obviously, I can study on my own anytime, but in case I have problems, so I have the notes as well of other people. So that's how I will create a platform, and my platform, people would start start accessing the platform, and maybe they start giving me the money to become a member of that platform. And today, somewhat, this platform is one of the best startups of the world, that is Byju's. So you understanding how it is being created? So if there is a food chain cycle in fourth standard, which we studied about human beings, there is a startup life cycle as well, that you first identify the problem. Second, you validate the problem. Third, you create an idea. Okay. You have created the idea of creating a platform. Fourth, you validate your idea as well. You talk to the people. Now, five people might be coming onto your your platform because you said that that's the best platform, right, as an education point of view. But when you go to the third point of when you go to other people, you said, hey, I'm creating this platform, would you like to buy its subscription? Its subscription costs you around 500 rupees per month. Few people might think it's quite costly. Few people might say, no, it would help me get good marks, right? It will help me in my education, I should go. So it's always about percentages. So always remember, and if you want to note it down, please note it down, that when you talk to the people about your problem validation, if you are going to verify your idea, right? So सबसे पहले problem validation के लिए you talk to the people, 100 लोगों से बात करना, talk to at least 100 people, and out of 100 people, at least 70 people should say that yes, this is the problem and I am facing this problem. At least 70 people, always remember, right? अब उन 70 लोगों के पास अपना आइडिया लेके जाओ. जब आपने ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग कर लिया, एवरीथिंग इज हैपेंड, द ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग इज हैपेंड, द आइडिया इज क्रिएटेड, द प्लेटफॉर्म इज क्रिएटेड, go to those 70 people again and tell them that, see, you validated my problem. Will you validate my idea? Will you think that because you are facing the same problem, will my idea solve your problem or not? And out of 70 people, at least 30 people should agree to that particular solution or should be ready to buy your solution. Over here, the pre-sales will also happen, because if they are interested to buy a solution, so as soon as you commercialize it, they will probably buy your solution, right? So just imagine, out of 100 people in your college itself, 30 people are ready to buy your solution, right? So it means 30% people are there to buy your solution. It's just that how you are validating that matters. Just imagine, in India, there are 134 crore of people, right? And you are asking 30% of Indians to just give you 1 rupee. There, you are already crorepati. It's just about how well you will validate it, how well you will convince it, how well you will understand their problems, and how well you will create an idea to solve their problems. That matters. Never think how innovative your idea cannot be. अगर innovation के ऊपर idea होता, right? So every robotic company would be better than Amazon, would be better than like Flipkart, would be better than Byju's, but it is not happening, right? Amazon's, Flipkart's, they are traditional websites, traditional e-commerce startups, which are earning money since a decade, since 15 years. No disrespect to the innovators, no disrespect, but it's not necessary that the best innovators can be the best entrepreneurs. Always remember this part, right? So never go for innovative solution. Always go for, okay, what can be the best possible solution to solve a person's problem? Always think about it, and I'm sure you will land into the best possible, like best possible platform or something on those lines, right? I hope I have clarified the basic of how to start a startup. Anyone has any problems? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Anyone on this thing? कि मैं अगर अपना स्टार्टअप बोलता हूँ या बोलती हूँ किसी को, उसने मेरा चोरी कर लिया, फिर मैं क्या करूँ या क्या करूँगी? Anyone? अरे कोई तो रेज हैंड कर लो, पूछ लो, या मैं बहुत घटिया समझा रहा हूँ, कुछ ऐसा है? Okay, Nitesh and plus one other.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Actually, I used to feel this, that even if I pitch my idea in front of the no sponsors, which used to come to our college, then it might be possible that they don't like my idea exactly, but they might steal my idea and they'll make it better. So
Okay.
I used to feel this.
Okay, yes, trust me on this thing. Let's just say Nestle is coming into your, like as a sponsor into your, college, right? And they say, and you are somewhat creating a coffee kind of, or maybe a milk kind of, you have the idea into that milk industry or something, on that dairy industry to be precise, right? मतलब वो क्यों करेंगे? आपका आइडिया क्यों स्टील करेंगे? They are already well established company, उनका already business चल रहा है, वो आप, in fact, I'll tell you, and this is honestly when I say this, they won't steal your idea. In fact, they will say, they will give you an opportunity and they will say, hey Yash, can you come with me? Okay, and if you think, if you have all these statistics, if you really think you can solve this major problem, I'm going to give you the solution, I'm going to give you the money, right? You just implement it, whatever you thought, because they will grow by acquiring you. That's why a lot of people acquire these days. You would have heard Byju's acquire Akash, right? Why did he acquire? Because it was giving him an additional resource and additional people, where he would, where if he's sitting at today at $110 billion, tomorrow he might sit at $200 billion, right? So that's how people acquire, or they merge. they don't steal it. Okay, so that's, I hope Yash, I have solved your query regarding this.
Yes, sir, got.
Yes,
Yeah, thank you.
Nitesh or Harish, any one of you,
Yes, Nitesh, go ahead.
go ahead.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, I felt the same. Like I had some ideas, but I felt that could be stolen. Like you tell someone the ideas, and they might at that point they might say they don't like it, and they might steal it. I had that in my mind.
Okay, thank you Nitesh. एक just one more example I'll give you. 8th standard मैथमेटिक्स, सबने अलजेब्रा पढ़ा है, उसके अंदर बोलते थे ना LHS is equal to RHS, right? Every time we heard it's LHS is equal to RHS, right? And most of the times, again no disrespect to any teacher or lecturer, most of the times what teachers used to see, वो देखते थे LHS is equal to RHS हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है, 5 is equal to 5 आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा. वो ये नहीं देखते थे आपने स्टेप्स कौन से लिखे हैं, वो ये नहीं देखते थे आपने एल्गोरिथम्स कौन सी लिखी है. They used to see at the end of the day कि आंसर्स मैच हो रहे हैं नहीं हो रहे, right? It's very important, right? So यहाँ पे भी यही है चीज, guys. If you are taking your idea into the market, right, and if you are matching to the right requirement with the people, requirement match हो रही है, problem solve हो रहा है, LHS is equal to RHS बन रहा है, right? It doesn't matter who is taking which step, who is going first, who is going second, राइट. इट डजंट मैटर आपने क्या तरीका चूज करा और दूसरा बंदे ने जिसने आपकी आइडिया चोरी करा उसने कौन सा तरीका चूज करा. इट डजंट मैटर. There in your areas only, again one more example, in your areas there can be two similar sweet shops, एक अग्रवाल की हो सकती है और एक कोई देसी हो सकती है, राइट? या दोनों देसी शॉप्स हो सकती है, बट स्टिल यू विल बाय द स्वीट शॉप जहां पे आपको या तो टेस्ट अच्छा लगेगा या आपको कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा मिलेगा, राइट? These things happens in our day to day life. So you need to understand it's not about who is taking the first step, it's about how how well you are implementing that step into the market and how well you are convincing the people to buy your solution. It's always about that. Yeah. Okay. Anyone else?
Yeah. Harish, go ahead.
Harish, Neha, Abhishek, any one of you?
So, if you have an idea how to create a team for beginning, like.
Okay, perfect. Good question. Thank you so much for asking this question, Neha. So the team, see, I again, you know, I have a pitch deck created of the startup scholars और उसमें ना मेरी टीम ने एक लाइन लिखी है जो वो बहुत फेमस थी, बोलते कि this is the best line we have heard. And I'm not sure how much you will be able to relate it, but please relate it if possible. And trust me, when I was an entrepreneur, I was just 18, 19 years of age, probably of your age, and I created a startup of 10 lakh rupees. Okay? Now I'll tell you very simple thing, what you need to, and listen carefully, right? Your best friends cannot be the best co-founders, but your best co-founders can be your best friends. It's not necessary जिसको तुम आज बेस्ट फ्रेंड बोल रहे हो उसके साथ तुमने बिजनेस शुरू कर दिया and you both will become the best of the entrepreneurs. No, इससे बेटर ये रहता है कि यार मैं एक अपनी टीम में ऐसे कौन से लोग ऐड करूं जो वैल्यू बढ़ाए. मे बी इट्स माई एनिमी, मे बी इट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम ही और शी इज कमिंग फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट, डिफरेंट सिनेरियो, राइट? एंड बल्कि इट्स गुड दैट यू हैव पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट डोमेन्स so that you have a widened aspect as an entrepreneur. Always remember, लोग कहते हैं ना कि यार you should be good at coding, okay? You should be good at whatever you course are doing, right? Focus on one thing. Always we hear about everything, right? I tell you as an entrepreneur, and you talk to any entrepreneur, I never will say that okay, focus on one thing. I will say focus on each and everything, whatever comes your way. If it's automation, if it's IT, if it's management, if it's sales, because you never know when which skill will be useful for you as an entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur आपको अपना सामान बेचना पड़ेगा. As an entrepreneur आपको अपना सामान बनाना पड़ेगा. As an entrepreneur आपको कस्टमर की नीड्स जाननी पड़ेगी. As an entrepreneur आपको मार्केटिंग करनी पड़ेगी. So you have to do everything. So just see to it that team members, Neha, should come from a different domains. जैसे एक, if you are a technical person, see to it कि कोई management person आपका आइडिया समझ पा रहा है और आपके साथ में बैठ के कुछ काम कर पा रहा है, राइट? सी टू दैट, राइट? यू थिंक अबाउट इट कि यार अगर अच्छा मैनेजमेंट का नहीं है, कोई फाइनेंस से आ रहा है, फाइनेंस बैकग्राउंड से, हु कैन हेल्प मी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द फाइनेंशियल थिंग्स व्हिच आई नीड टू टेक केयर, टैक्सेशन कैसे बचा सकते हैं, राइट, क्या क्या टैक्स होते हैं, किस किस तरीके के टैक्स होते हैं, कंपनी लीगैलिटीज में क्या क्या चीजें आती है, कंपनी रजिस्ट्रेशन कैसे होता है, डॉक्यूमेंट्स कैसे रखने हैं. You should know each and everything. If not, then you have that kind of a team member in your team who is aligned with your vision, who is aligned with your vision, as well as he or she is passionate enough to fulfill your dream as his or her dream. ठीक है, तो ये चीज हमेशा याद रखना. अगर किसी से भी आप बात कर रहे हो ना अपना आइडिया से, एक अननोन से भी बात कर रहे हो, देखो उसको वो आइडिया कितना पसंद आ रहा है, देखो वो पैशनेट कितना है इस आइडिया को मार्केट में लाने को, राइट. See to these couple of things and you will obviously understand कि यार ये इसके साथ मैं बिजनेस कर सकता हूँ, चाहे मैं इसको अच्छे से जानता नहीं, चाहे मेरे को इसकी फैमिली के बारे में नहीं पता, आई रियली डोंट केयर, ठीक है, बट आई रियली वुड लाइक टू डू बिजनेस विद यू. Just telling you about the startup scholars which I am the co-founder. So जो मेरे co-founder है स्वप्निल वर्मा, he and we started as a mentor-mentee relationship. I was mentor of his, ठीक है, and now after 2 years of just knowing each other professionally, we have now started as a co-founder, and now I know him more personally rather than professionally. So this is my live example which I'm telling you, right? So it's always about कि आपको फ्रेंड्स से ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस मत होना, ये देखना जो वैल्यू में टीम एडिशन कर सके, who can add value to your idea, who can actually help you out wherever you are stuck. It's always about that, right? And that's why I say your best friends cannot be the best co-founders, but your best co-founders will be your best friends, and that I can lay it in writing. So that's, I hope Neha, I have solved your query.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Sure. Anyone?
गुड इवनिंग सर.
Good evening, Harish.
सर मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि किसी आइडिया का यूनिक होना कितना जरूरी है. मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले एक इन्वेस्टर से बात करी थी, मेरा आइडिया कुछ इनोवेशन से रिलेटेड नहीं था. मैंने उनको अपना आइडिया बताया, उन्होंने बोला कि तुम्हारा आइडिया यूनिक तुम्हारे आइडिया में यूनिकनेस क्या है.
ओके.
ठीक है, तो फिर जैसे अब मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि अमेजोन का जब ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट आई थी उसके बाद ही तो फ्लिपकार्ट आई थी, उसमें कोई यूनिकनेस क्या थी, वो तो सेम ही था. और जैसे स्विगी जोमेटो चल रहा है वो भी सेम ही है. और जैसे ओला उबर चल रहा है इंडिया में वो भी सेम है. तो यूनिकनेस का होना जरूरी है या नहीं है?
यूनिकनेस का ओनली 20% होना जरूरी है, कि 20% तुम कुछ मार्केट से हटके कर रहे हो, 80% यूनिकनेस से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. एक चीज, अच्छा चलो हरीश, आपसे एक क्वेश्चन है मेरा, बहुत सिंपल. मान लो आज आपके पास 50 लाख रुपए, आप एक इन्वेस्टर हो, ठीक है.
हाँ.
मैं एक बहुत बढ़िया यूनिक सोल्यूशन लेकर आया हूँ, मेरे को ये नहीं पता अभी मार्केट में कितना बढ़िया चलेगा, मेरे पास एक रोबोट है, मेरे को ये नहीं पता कितना मार्केट में चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा, बट मैं एज एन इन्वेस्टर आपके पास आया, मैंने हरीश बोला, मैं कहा हरीश सर प्लीज मेरे स्टार्टअप में इन्वेस्ट कर दो, सबसे यूनिक सोल्यूशन, सबसे हटके सोल्यूशन है ये, इससे बढ़िया सोल्यूशन मार्केट में आ ही नहीं सकता. विल यू डेफिनेटली इन्वेस्ट इन मी?
नहीं सर, मैं कुछ और भी चेक करूंगा, और भी सिनेरियो.
मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ. अब इसी का एग्जांपल, ये एक स्टार्टअप आया आपके पास जो बहुत यूनिक था. अब मैं दूसरा एक स्टार्टअप लाया हूँ आपके पास जो कि ट्रेडिशनल ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट बना रहा है, ट्रेडिशनल ई कॉमर्स काम कर रहा है, वो उसने वेबसाइट बना रखी है, ट्रेडिशनली अपना काम कर रहा है, मतलब मान लो एक फ्लिपकार्ट मिंत्रा जैसी है, लेकिन ये दिखाता है कि हरीश इफ यू विल इन्वेस्ट इन मी, आज आप मेरे पे 50 लाख रुपए इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, गारंटी के साथ 3 साल बाद आपको मैं 50 लाख का 5 करोड़ बना के दूंगा. और ये मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ खाली एज अ फाउंडर, आप मेरे शीट्स देख लो, बैलेंस शीट देख लो, फाइनेंशियल शीट देख लो, मेरी मंथ ऑन मंथ ग्रोथ 30% की है. अब आप बताओ आप किस में इन्वेस्ट करोगे?
हाँ सर, सेकंड वाले में ही.
दैट्स द आंसर. यूनिकनेस से इन्वेस्टर्स को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, वो इन्वेस्टर्स बोलने के होते हैं, उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, जो बोलते हैं उनको बोलो ठीक है सर आपकी मिस्टेक है, हमारे में यूनिकनेस नहीं है, लेकिन मैं आपको ये दिखा सकता हूँ, मेरे पीछे लोग खड़े हैं, मेरे पीछे मेरा आइडिया वैलिडेटेड है, मेरे पीछे लोग ऐसे खड़े हैं जो कि रेडी है सोल्यूशन को बाय करने को.
ओके,
राइट. जो लोग बाय करने को मेरा आइडिया रेडी है और उन्होंने मुझे ऑलरेडी कुछ ने मेरे को ऑलरेडी पैसे दे रखे हैं. अब आप बताओ अब आप लोगे मेरा सोल्यूशन की नहीं? वो इन्वेस्टर उस टाइम या तो ईगो पे ले जाएगा बात और कभी नहीं आएगा वापस, बहुत सिंपल स्टोरी, या वो इन्वेस्टर कहेगा माफ कर दे यार मैं गलत था, मैं तेरे स्टार्टअप पे अभी डाल रहा हूँ 10 लाख रुपए, तो इसका अगर 3 महीने में डबल कर देगा ना, 20 लाख रुपए मुझे दे देगा, मैं 3 महीने बाद मैं एक और टर्म शीट तेरे से साइन करूंगा जहां पे मैं तेरे पे 50 लाख रुपए लगाऊंगा.
ओके
राइट?
And,
इट्स ऑलवेज अबाउट हाउ मच. अगेन यहाँ पे भी देखो यार, इन्वेस्टर भी ना को फाउंडर डायरेक्टर जैसे होता है कंपनी का. ठीक है, इन्वेस्टर को भी तुम ये देख रहे हो, इन्वेस्टर यही देखता है कि यार अगर मैं आया तुम्हारे स्टार्टअप में तो मैं वैल्यू क्या ला रहा हूँ रादर दैन जस्ट फाइनेंशियल, क्योंकि वो भी अपनी एडवाइस देता है अपने एक्सपीरियंस से, राइट?
Yes.
और जो स्टार्टअप होता है वो भी यही देखता है कि यार मैं इन्वेस्टर तो ले लूं, ठीक है, क्या मुझे मेरे एरिया का इन्वेस्टर मिल जाए तो बढ़िया नहीं हो जाएगा, या मुझे कोई ऐसा एरिया का इन्वेस्टर मिल जाए जो कि मार्केट को जानता हो, ठीक है, और वो मेरे पैसे, क्योंकि वो अपने भी पैसे डबल करेगा और मेरे तो होंगे ही होंगे,
Yes sir, हाँ.
राइट?
One more thing sir. One more thing sir. Like जब अपने सीड फंडिंग की तरफ जाते हैं तो लाइक ये कैसे डिसाइड करें कि जो इन्वेस्टर है उसको कितना % अपनी कंपनी का स्टेक दिया जाए? कैसे, कुछ मतलब कुछ तो टर्म्स होती हो, कुछ आइडियाज होते होंगे कि अपने को ओवरऑल वैल्यूएशन इतना करना चाहिए?
हरीश देखो यार, मैं इसका बहुत सिंपल आंसर देता हूँ. जब भी मैंने सीड राउंड्स करे हैं खुद से, प्री सीड करे हैं, सीड भी नहीं करे, प्री सीड करे हैं एज एन इन्वेस्टर. व्हाट आई बेसिकली लुक फॉर, या मैं जो भी स्टार्टअप्स के साथ अपने एग्रीमेंट साइन करता हूँ या स्टार्टअप से बात करता हूँ, समझता हूँ, जो भी मैं करता हूँ, 5-10 लाख जितने भी मैं लगाता हूँ, उनसे जब ये बात कर रहा होता है ना, मैं उनको सिर्फ एक चीज बोलता हूँ कि यार सी, आपने मुझे जितने % स्टेक्स देना है, क्योंकि देखो यार एक इन्वेस्टर ना बहुत लालची होता है, मैं लालची होऊंगा, right? I will ask you to give me a lot of stakes. Maybe it can be 10%, 15, 20, 5, 40, 30%. But you as a startup should know कि मेरे पैसे की कितनी वैल्यू है. आज मैं अगर 20 लाख रुपीस देता हूँ आपके स्टार्टअप में, right? You shouldn't give me more than 5 to 7% of the stakes. पहले तो अपने अच्छे से सीईओ को पकड़ो, उसको बोलो कि यार मेरे कंपनी की वैल्यूएशन कर. आपकी कंपनी की उसने करी मान लो वैल्यूएशन 1 करोड़ की. अब मान लो आप 2 फाउंडर्स थे, 50-50 लाख रुपए के, ठीक है. अब 50-50 लाख के 2 फाउंडर्स, एक पूरा स्टार्टअप 1 करोड़ का भी बना हुआ है, ठीक है. ऑलरेडी वो जो भी वैल्यूएशन है, मतलब वो आपके रेवेन्यू, आपके पर्सनल एसेट्स से मिला के एक वो वैल्यूएशन करेगा, सीए उसने कर दिया 1 करोड़ की. अब मैं एज एन इन्वेस्टर आया, उन्होंने बोला, मैंने कहा तुमने आज तक कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं उठाई, मैं तुम्हारे पे 20 लाख रुपए डाल रहा हूँ और मैं तुमसे 20% लेना चाहता हूँ शेयर, मतलब 10-10% फ्रॉम बोथ द फाउंडर्स. डू यू रियली थिंक वो 10-10% मतलब
नहीं
20 लाख का मतलब 1
नहीं
करोड़,
देंगे,
मतलब मैं जहाँ पे कह रहा हूँ
नहीं देंगे.
क्या सेंस बना
वो मतलब कम चाहिए. हाँ राइट,
ऑब्वियसली. कम से मेरे को तुम्हारे को ये मेक श्योर करना है कि हाँ तुम्हारे को लगता है कि 20 लाख रुपए इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, 20 लाख रुपए दूंगा मैं, ठीक है. सर मैं आपसे 20 लाख रुपए लूंगा, आपको सीधा बोलना सर मैं आपसे 20 लाख रुपए ले रहा हूँ, 5% से 1% ऊपर, 5 का मैं 5.5% कर सकता हूँ, उससे ऊपर कुछ. सिंपल है. देसी अपने बेस्ट हिसाब में देसी नेगोशिएबल टर्म्स में आ जाओ, वो अपने आप मान जाएगा, और उसको वो भी पता चल जाएगा फाउंडर कितना अच्छा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ नेगोशिएशन. कुछ इन्वेस्टर्स ये भी देखते हैं कि नेगोशिएशन कितने अच्छी कर सकता है, क्योंकि अगर ये मेरे साथ नहीं नेगोशिएट कर पाए, आगे क्लाइंट्स और कस्टमर्स के साथ कर सकता है.
यस सर, राइट सर.
ठीक है, ओके,
थैंक यू सर. थैंक्स.
लेट मी गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस गाइस. 10 मिनट्स मोर. आई एम सॉरी, मैं बहुत सारी बातें नहीं कर पाऊंगा, बट 10 minutes.
Yeah, I think Gaurav has something to say.
Yes, Gaurav,
Please go
please.
ahead.
Sir, please tell the importance of fund. That without fund, can we also do?
Guys, to be honest with you, मैंने अपना जो स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट करा था वो विदाउट फंडिंग था. जो अब ये स्टार्टअप स्कॉलर्स है विदाउट फंडिंग है. ऑलरेडी हम लोग अच्छे रेवेन्यू पे पहुंच चुके हैं. सो मैं तो यही बोलता हूँ कि यार फंडिंग के लिए बूटस्ट्रैप जितनी देर कर सकते हो ना अपने स्टार्टअप को, उतनी देर बूटस्ट्रैप करो. कम से कम ना बोलते बोलते एटलीस्ट 1 ईयर तो बूटस्ट्रैप करो. उसका बहुत सिंपल रीजन आई टेल यू, वेरी वेरी सिंपल रीजन. जब तक आपको और आपकी टीम को आप उस आइडिया पे भरोसा नहीं होगा, जब तक क्लाइंट्स नहीं आएंगे 1 साल तक उस आइडिया पे, ठीक है. आप किसी इन्वेस्टर से क्यों पैसा मांगना चाहते हो? और मतलब ठीक है इन्वेस्टर रिस्क लेता है आपके अंदर स्टार्टअप में पैसा डालने का, बट क्यों उस इन्वेस्टर्स को भी मार रहे हो यार? उसने भी 20 लाख रुपए कुछ कमाए हैं कैसे ना कैसे, राइट? 50 लाख रुपए, 2 करोड़ रुपए, 10 करोड़ रुपए उसने भी कमाए हैं. क्यों उसका जबरदस्ती? अनटिल और अनलेस इट इज रिक्वायर्ड. अब यार कोई मान लो मैं एक एरोस्पेस या एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग से रिलेटेड मैं कोई स्टार्टअप खोल रहा हूँ, मेरे को उसकी पता है मशीन ही बड़ी महंगी आएगी. अब मेरे को पता है उसके लिए तो मेरे को इन्वेस्टमेंट उठानी पड़ेगी. मैं बायोटेक्नोलॉजी सोल्यूशन में हूँ, तब मेरे को पता है कि यार इसमें मेरे को रिसर्च में, डेवलपमेंट में बहुत पैसा लगेगा, तब मेरे को पैसा उठाना पड़ेगा, राइट? बट वाई क्या बोलते हैं, मैं उनसे पैसा उठाऊं जब तक मैं खुद से मैनेज कर सकता हूँ. एंड आई टेल यू 1 or 2 more couple of things. Okay, just quickly, Tanishq, where are you from?
I'm from Agra.
Agra,
Yes,
UP. Yash, where are you
Yes.
from?
Sir, Bulandshahr, UP.
UP. Rajat, where are you from?
Uh, wait. I have not unmuted him.
Okay. Rajat, where are you from? Quickly. Prince को भी कर दो.
Yep.
कहाँ से?
मथुरा यूपी. मथुरा.
Prince.
सर इलाहाबाद यूपी.
यूपी. अच्छा सारे ऑलमोस्ट यूपी के, मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल. चलो मान लो मैं कहता हूँ कुछ यूपी के हैं, कुछ एमपी के हैं, कुछ हरियाणा के हैं.
Sir, sorry to interrupt, but we have couple of students from abroad as well, so they are requesting to kindly speak in English.
Oh, sorry, sure. I'll just go ahead. Let's just say, we have right now, as I have asked, there are 3 to 4 people who are coming from UP. Let's just say UP as a state, Uttar Pradesh. Do you guys know that there is a startup UP policy? Anyone knows about it? Did anyone even check their website? Does anyone know how much sustenance allowance? Sustenance allowance means 1 month allowance. How much they give? So we as an entrepreneur, we don't even know about the state startup policies we have. We even don't know that, okay, central government has policies for us. So when you talk about bootstrapping, right? Yes, I know that we have some limited funds in our pocket, or probably we need to ask our parents or something of those lines. And parents might not support you. That's also true. But what we can do is we can go to our state government startup policy, right? Go and study today. Just write down UP state startup policy, Google Pay karna, and you will see what the first link, right? I created Himachal state startup policy. We were giving 25,000 rupees as sustenance allowance to every entrepreneur in Himachal Pradesh, right? And we almost gave away like up to 90 lakh rupees to the entrepreneurs of Himachal Pradesh in last 1.5 years. So you can totally understand that there are things. Obviously, the branding, the marketing, the government didn't do, or they lagged in that. But you also see, where you open your ears, open your eyes, and see to it whether our government is doing something related to us or not. We always talk about our government, that this government is doing this. आपने ये कर दिया, मोदी जी ने ये कर दिया, अमित शाह ने ये कर दिया, right? Rahul Gandhi ये है, वो है. We say all of these things, but why don't we research when it comes to our work? Right? There are things. It is true that the government might take some time to give you that particular money. It is true. I'm not saying that's not true, but at least you start applying. So there are government grants. There are various entrepreneurship summits, ESL, like you also have your ESL. There are MHRDs, so many events are happening, right? Why don't you participate into that and go and get the grants, right? Why don't you do these kind of stuff? If you will do these kind of stuff, then you will definitely, get some good results. So this is very, very important, right? Go for the government grants, go for the competitions, go and start earning yourselves, right? Do something on your own. Don't wait that, okay, some angel investor, he would come into my picture and he will invest me. Aisa kuch nahi hai. Do the research from your side, and I promise you, you will get a lot of help, and you will feel very confident. Yeah, because investor की जरूरत नहीं, मैं ऐसी बहुत ठीक हूँ, मैं ऐसी बहुत कमा रहा हूँ, right? So this is very, very important.
Yeah, and also adding something to the last point, as sir said that take part in different competitions. So the one we will be having in the month of April as well. So yeah, you guys can participate in that also.
See, your ESL is already doing that.
Yeah.
Why don't you participate? And Tanish, prove me if I'm wrong over here, right? If there are 112 people, hardly 30 teams would come into the picture, right?
I think that would be a big deal for us if 30 comes.
Yeah, even 30 would come, they will dance. The organizers, oh my God.
Yeah, platform is all ready for the audience. Also, I would like, all the participants are, required to stay back for a brief by final year, so that if you have any more questions, then I promise we can do that. Also, sir, can we take a couple of more doubts? Or?
Yeah, just couple of more doubts. And guys, I would also request, so I have an Instagram page named as the startup scholars. Okay? After this conversation, or just right now, go to that. We will have story updates, okay, over there, right? There will be stories related to some basic questions related to the startups, right? Try answer. See, as I said, मैं ये इंटरैक्टिव करना चाहता था सेशन में, बिल्कुल नहीं चाहता था कि मैं बोरिंग करूं, मैं आपको सिर्फ समझाता रह जाऊं और आप लोग समझो ना. I really hope that you find it interesting. The Startup Scholars, we have 15 team members who are coming from entrepreneurial background. तो कुछ भी किसी को कोई भी डाउट है, anyone has any particular doubt, message over there, DM to the Startup Scholars. ठीक है? And I promise you there will be people who will help you. And also, just to let you know, we will give away pieces who will solve the answers of the Startup Scholars के जो post है, जो story में जो भी answers देंगे correctly. So there will be, I think so, 5 stories which will be uploaded. Whosoever will give the 5 correct answers, that too fast. So we have few services in terms of Startup Scholars, that we have business plan, competition, idea listening, mentorship session, so on and so forth. So right now, whatever mentorship I'm providing you as of now, we will do that. We will give away free mentorship sessions of half an hour to 1 hour each to everyone. That's first. Second, we will be basically helping you with your startup ideas to go forward about it at very minimal cost. Minimal cost means शायद 100 rupees. पूरा business pitch deck, पूरा सब कुछ सुनेंगे, right? You will get 20% on our all the business plan. It's just that you need to tell us that okay, you are from NNIT Allahabad, right? And we will help you to start your venture in the best possible way. It's just a request. Go follow the Startup Scholars, understand about what the Startup Scholars do. We have the website as well, www.thestartupscholars.com. We have already helped a lot of startups. I personally have helped around 100 entrepreneurs. As a team, we have recently we have helped around 15 startups, right, to grow. So we definitely know how we can help people. And again, yeah, it's not about money. It's not about anything else. It's just about how we as startup can solve your problems, right? And you as startup can solve people's problems. So as I said, again, earlier, going back to the basic thing, it's all about how we can solve each other's problem. If we can do that, there is no looking back, right? It's just about that. Okay, last 2 doubts.
Yeah, Prince, go ahead.
Prince, go ahead.
Sir, I mean to ask you that if we get the funding and if we could not raise that much amount of money, then what's happened in that situation?
If we, sorry, I didn't understand your point.
Sorry, if, I mean to say that if we get the funding from some investor,
okay,
and suppose that 20 lakh, and but our startup does not perform well, we could not do or raise that much amount of money, then what's happened in that situation?
Nothing happens in that situation. कुछ नहीं, आप लोग exit कर दोगे. आपसे your people would not ask you, the investors won't ask you the money back. The investor takes a risk by giving you the money. So they don't basically get the money back. That they know that you might be a loss, but they know if you will succeed, you probably give him the 20x the money which you are investing him right now.
Okay? Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So there is, though there is a term sheet, proper term sheet is written that okay, even if it's, let's just say 20 lakhs, as an investor, if I'm putting 20 lakhs, what I'll do is I'll create milestones. That okay, you achieve this, I'll give you 5 lakh rupees. You achieve this, I'll give you another 5 lakh rupees. If you touch the turnover of 50 lakh rupees in next 5 months, I'll give you the 10 lakh rupees. So there are milestones which the investors set up, right? Okay. Investor takes risk, but they also are very smart enough to create the milestones and give the money accordingly, right?
Okay, okay, sir.
They won't be able to ask the money back, so don't worry about it.
Yeah. Also, Varnik is asking what's bootstrap. So quick.
What is bootstrap?
Yeah.
So Varnik, bootstrap means that you are starting your startup with your own pocket, like own money. Okay. And what that means is bootstrap is very simple, that you are not dependent upon anyone to start your venture. You are just dependent upon yourself, that how you can start your startup and how far you can take your startup to. Like today, if I if I only had 5,000 rupees, but I started with 5,000, today my company's valuation may be at 50 lakh rupees, but I didn't ask for any person, right? I didn't ask any investor to invest into my startup. I just started to grow myself. I invested 5,000 in my startup. I did some kind of planning. I got my customers. Those people gave me, started to give me money, right? And through that money, I started to build my website. I registered my company. I started to build my team. I started to have that solution. So today I have that 50 lakh rupees startup. So one, it's always bootstrap. I will say do as much as bootstrap possible till the time it's not necessary. It isn't necessary that okay startup you as a startup needs a lot of investment, right? So yeah. Okay. Next, anyone else?
Yeah, Mrityunjay, go ahead.
अरे कोई तो कुछ बोल दो.
Mrityunjay, I have allowed you to unmute yourself if you have any questions.
Yes, Mrityunjay, please.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Mrityunjay's voice is breaking, guys.
Your voice is very much cracking. Just post your question in the chat box and I'll take.
Yeah.
Quickly.
Okay. Till the time, last question to maybe
yeah,
Abhishek can take it, or Harsh, or maybe Anshika. Anshika can take it.
Okay, Anshika, go ahead.
Let's give the ladies some preference. Okay. Yes, Miss Anshika. Okay, are we having anything?
Yeah, Anshika, I've given a permission. You can.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
Anshika.
So my question was, as you said that you started your startup at our age.
Yes.
Sir, I was last year in a startup. Like I worked for 5 to 6 months.
Okay.
But it was like during the course of it, we realized that we should be like more job purpose, like job security thing comes in our mind.
Right.
We should invest our time in like college studies and stuff, and not like will it be successful or not. So the thoughts like these, and like what's the correct time for us to venture into ideas and to really start a startup.
Anshika, thank you so much for asking this wonderful question. And guys, I would say all the 100 people right now, if there is a correct time to start a startup, start it now. Never think about it. Overthink always leads you to, like waste your time and energy. Just start implementing your idea. I can totally understand that studies are important, right? You study. Okay. Most of you might be an engineer, or most of you might be just a normal college student who studies the exam just one night before the exam or 2 nights before the exam. I'm pretty sure about it, right? Don't tell me that you study regularly for 5-6 hours. I know that you don't, right? Some of you might play PUBG, or some of you might do the makeup thing or something on those lines, right? So don't tell me that you are that kind of a studious person who studies 5-6 hours on daily basis. So even if you do that, guys, it's very important for you to understand that time management is a skill, right? Just make your startup that much focused that, okay, I want to start a startup. I don't care how, I don't know why, I don't know if someone will support me or not, whether it's my parents who won't support me, my brother and sister, my cousins, my teachers, my lecturers, they might not support me for the startup, but I need to prove everyone wrong, and I need to be passionate about my startup. And I can only do that only if one thing is there, that I can manage my time really well. Your startup doesn't require a lot of time, to be honest with you. It requires only 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours of efforts. I believe you can give at least 4 hours of your time to your startup almost on daily basis. 2 to 4 hours, good enough to generate at least 5 lakh rupees revenue. Then after that, you might need to give a lot more time, right? So it's always about time management. You study daily for 2-3 hours. You go to colleges for 6 to 7 hours, right? That is like 10 hours in total. Okay. Then you do your extracurricular activities for 2 hours. Then you work on your startup for 2-3 hours. 15 hours, the next 7-8 hours you sleep, at least give 2-3 hours. Be disciplined enough to give 2-3 hours to your startup, right? Trust me, today you can ask my team, my people over here, right? Rizwan is there, Taranjeet is there, they know me personally. I just sleep for 4 hours almost on daily basis, right? I am doing a job. I am working on my startup. Okay. I am doing a lot many stuff for the governments. Okay. So I am just managing my time, nothing else. If you are disciplined and if you are managing your time correctly, trust me, it will lead you somewhere. It will lead you somewhere. You will be successful, not today, not tomorrow, but definitely day after tomorrow. You will be. So that's all about it. Okay, perfect, guys. I think so. The time is getting over. So, guys, thank you so much for asking a lot of questions. It was really an interactive session. I wish I could explain more, but just due to time constraints, I won't be. And I would request each and everyone, guys, please do follow the Startup Scholars. In case you have any idea, if you need any help, right, just talk to us, and I promise you, we will help you. Also, to the eCell team members of MNNIT, you guys are doing a wonderful job, right? We will definitely plan out more events. Rizwan will be in touch with you guys, with us. We might do 1 or 2 regular workshops or boot camps together every month or every once in 2 months, right? It's just about it's a request to all of you. Just be interactive. Whenever you have a thought about your startup, go to SLMNNIT or go to the Scholars Instagram page, and we will be there to help. Right? The Startup Scholars Instagram page, guys, do follow, do answers, and I promise you, we will be able to help you to the best way possible. That's the only request which I can do as of now. इतना तो कर ही सकते हो यार. Come on, guys.
Yeah, I have shared the Instagram page link in the chat box. You guys can have a look over it.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tanish.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Tanish, for this wonderful workshop.
Thank you for, on the behalf of entire ECL, I would extend my gratitude to our speaker, Mr. Akashan Sethi, for sparing his valuable time and enlightening us with his expertise. It was an amazing session, and I am sure each one of us will take some learning from this. And I think Rizwan has something to say. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
hello guys.
Please go ahead.
This is Rizwan from TSF. So if you guys have any ideas or you need any mentorship with us, you can contact us on our website. I request Tanish to share the link in the chat box as well.
Yeah, I have done so. It's already in the chat box. Okay. Also, I would like to request you to kindly stay back. So our final year has something to say to you all. So yeah, kindly stay back for a couple of minutes.
Thank you. Thank you so much once again, everyone. All the
Thank
very
you,
best.
Akash.
And
Thank you.
in case you need any help, I'm always there. Thank you
Sure.
so much, guys. Take care.
Tanisk, I think we can now stop the recording.
Okay, sir.